Everybody look right up here on the count of three. Everybody give me a big smile, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Members of the Goodwill Education Initiative's Board of Directors, parents and friends, I would like to welcome you all to our Excel Center graduation.
First, I'd like to say congratulations to the graduating class of 2017. Guys, we made it. For me, coming to the Excel Center, it was almost like it was meant to be. I did not see it, but God had a plan, and everyone here has had their role in helping me become who I am and getting here where I am.
My story is one of the many representing here today. Being at the Excel Center has opened many doors for me by bettering my communication skills so that I can get better jobs and so that I can further my education to the best of my ability. We have all dedicated lots of time and effort to reaching this point, and we have had the support of all of you along the way. For this, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
I know you all are happy to finally achieve this goal. I just want to say, don't stop here. Continue to strive for more. In the great words of Benjamin Mays, the tragedy of life doesn't lie in not reaching your goals. The tragedy lies in having no goals to reach. Every one of us has different reasons for this accomplishment. Every one of us also have different barriers in life that stopped us from achieving our goal. I want to say thanks to the Excel Center for giving us all a second chance to achieve. That is why we are all here today. It wasn't easy, but in the great words of Maya Angelou, we may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. 2017 graduates, we were not defeated. We are the powerhouse of innovation and creativity. We must push barriers to make the world a better place. I want everyone to always remember where they came from and always remember where you're going.
We can finally say we did it.
I finally did it.
I graduated thanks to the Excel Center.
Thank you to the Excel Center.
This is not your traditional educator traditional graduation. We're going to party, we're going to celebrate, we're going to be loud. You will graduate tonight, and you go on to live fabulous lives and accomplish amazing things. All of you.
Members of the school board, staff, family, and friends, as Senior Director of Goodwill Education Initiatives Incorporated, I hereby declare that the members of the class of 2017 before you have met the goals of their individual learning plans and the exacting academic requirements of the state of Indiana and Goodwill Education Initiatives, and are thus entitled to receive a diploma from the Excel Center.
I am so proud of you. I am so